Hey guys, what's up? Hope y'all are doing well this evening. Got another pretty quick little snippet video for you. Got in a mail call today from a subscriber as well as a member over on the Shave Den and at Toast. You could actually do it either way, it would be okay. But anyway, I digress. This guy sent me a couple of razors and it's just over the top and I really appreciate it. First thing he sent was this little guy right here. Okay, and as you can probably tell, it is a Gillette Slim Adjustable. Okay, it's in very good shape, very good shape. So I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Second thing he sent, and this is what was just amazing to me. I couldn't believe it. I was blown away. This is like this and a red tip are my. That's it. That's all I'd ever need. So I'm thankful that I got it. It's this bad boy right here. Yep, that's right, Fatboy. I finally got a Fatboy. I've been trying to get one of these. I couldn't find one for a price I wanted to pay, but he sent one to me. So, Danny, man, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. You're definitely going to see these used on the channel, that's for sure. This is a 3-day growth, so guess what? Sunday morning shave, we're using this joker to take it off with, so you get to see that very soon. He also sent me a buck of Williams, because you can never have enough Williams. So Sunday is going to be a Fatboy and Williams shave. Just want to get this video up real quick, say thank you, show you guys what's coming on, and appreciate it. We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.